All right, so we are here with Michelle. It is a big day. We are giving her her final teeth, and they look gorgeous. She hasn't seen the final there, but they look so good. So I'm so excited. Michelle, if you don't mind just talking through your experience here at Cedar Village Dentistry and just whatever you want to talk about overall.
It's been a very good experience. It's actually been life-changing. Everybody here was very nice to me and kind, and they helped me through every step, and I will be returning here, and this will be my doctor or dentist for the rest of my life.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Michelle. Here we go. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Oh my God. They look so good.
They do.
I love them.
They look great. You have a beautiful smile. So make sure you show it off.
I'm going to.
Oh,
I got to end of the year parties that nobody knows how bad it's done. So I've been being a little sneaky about it.
yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Awesome.
It looks great. Thank you, Dr. Bill.
Well, thank you, Michelle. It's been a pleasure. It really has. So I'm excited.
Mm-hmm.